Welcome to my channel Life is Learning. హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇవాళ వ్లాగ్లో ఏంటంటే కిండర్స్కి మనం ప్రీ స్కూలర్స్కి కిండర్స్కి డిఫరెంట్ వేస్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్స్, హౌ టు డూ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ వేస్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్స్. At the same time, it will be a fun activity for them. So in today's vlog, I'm going to tell how to do the numbers for preschoolers and the kindergarten in different ways, which is a fun activity. So let's begin. I have taken, these are the numbers. So I have taken the different ways they have to identify for one. So there are different ways here. So they have to stick those ways here to two different ways. One is with the dice and one is with the hand. So let's start sticking this. So let me give you all the numbers here. You see and stick it, okay?
Okay.
Take out the glue. Yes. I'm keeping here the numbers. You tell them how many are here and do it. Tell them. Two.
One.
One. Next one.
One, two, three.
Okay.
Four.
Next.
Five. One.
With the one is with the dice and one is with the finger counting.
Two. Three. Four. Five.
Done?
Yeah.
Very good. So next one is, keep it here. And next one we are doing here, there is a hand counting with the number. We have to stick apples over there. This is another way of doing it. So what is 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there. So we have to stick those apples over there. Okay?
Yeah.
So I'm giving you the apples and you stick it out. I'll remove this. Glue. I'll give you the glue and you count the apples and stick there. Okay. Let them count the apples also so that they'll know the counting
two.
also. 1 minute.
Yeah.
This is another activity for them.
Three.
So with the hand counting is here and with the objects and the number.
Four.
And the last one
And
is?
five.
Yes. And the next one we're going to do here, cut and match and paste, or else you can just match it without cutting also. So let us do the matching one. You already pasted many things, so let us do matching one. Okay, and write the number over there. You can count here and write the number, or else you want to stick it.
Stick it.
Okay, you write the number also there. 2, then 3. Okay, count it.
Yeah.
Count at them in front of them. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next.
1.
Next.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, 4. This is how they should write here. And the next activity is counting here. Counting and
Pasting.
pasting. So you count the dots here and tell me. I'll give you that one. Okay.
Okay.
How many dots are there? Can you please count for me?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 are there. Okay. Next one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Next one. 5. Next one is 5. So ఇవన్నీ cut and paste works, which they'll show a lot of interest. Next one is 5. Six. You do one counting and I'll do the other counting, okay?
Okay.
I'll do this counting and you do this counting. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10. What is yours? Count. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, you stick this one and I'll give you 12. Okay, now mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You remove hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I got 14. So 14 is not there. Let me write on one paper, okay?
1, 2, 3.
Here 14. Okay. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is 8. Next one, can you count this for me?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, 11. సో పిల్లలకి ఏంటంటే మీరు ఒకసారి వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి అదొక ఆటలాగా ఉంటుంది. వన్స్ యూ డూ one time you do it, and then the next time you give it to a kid. So it's a turn, one turn for you and another turn for them. That will be a fun way for doing them. And we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He has given 13 like this. So let me write 13. It's half written. Okay. Next one is 7. This one is dice counting, as I have shown already here, dice one. So there's again I'm not doing it, just I'm giving you the reference. Here's how there's a dice over here. So the same thing is a dice counting, which you should do for this. 1. So they have to find where is that one dot over here and stick it over there. For example, if it is 5, let them count 1, 2. Is it matching with 5? No. 1, let them come from the top. Sorry, it is 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it matching? No. 1, 2, 3. No. 1. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they have to keep. For 1, let them match 1. And for 2, let them match 2. That's the way they have to do it. And the next one is, I've given some apples over here, and here they're going to trace the number and write the number spelling over here and stick the apples. So let us do that. So can you stick for me how many apples are there? How many apples can you see here?
1.
So 1 apple. I have to stick it. 1. You want to trace it out?
No.
If you want, you can. Or else no.
And paste.
You want to paste, okay. So take 1 apple. The next one is 2.
One, 2.
Finish 2. Next one. See how many apples are there, count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What is, how many apples are here?
3.
Four. And the last one is
5.
5. So let the kids trace these numbers also, like 1, then 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let them write the spellings also. Trace this it ONE1. Every time let them spell it out the letters TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5. After writing the spelling again, you can tell like this also. 1 ONE1, so 1 apple. 2 TWO2, so 2 apples. 1 2 3 THREE3, 1 2 3 apples. 4 FOUR4, 1 2 3 4 apples. 5 FIVE5, 1 2 3 4 5 apples. This is the way they have to do. And there is another one, the missing numbers. So let them write the missing numbers. After doing all these things, they'll know how to write the missing numbers also. This is another, after knowing all the numbers, they can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these are the different ways for the kids to learn the numbers, and it is very easy because it's a fun activity type. I hope you like this video. Thank you. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు కనుక నా వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. నా కొత్త న్యూ వీడియో నోటిఫికేషన్స్ మీ వరకు వస్తాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.